We shall see the process of regularizing the attendance. There are two ways to regularize attendance, one is using attendance calendar and another from list view. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Click on attendance icon. Choose attendance calendar from left-hand side menu. Select month and year from here to check attendance. Let's first see attendance regularization using attendance calendar. In this example, I am selecting this month. Double-click on particular date, which you want to regularize. Enter in time and out time and enter reason for regularizing. Save. Request will go to your manager for approval. Once your manager approves it, absent will change to present. Another way is, click on Modify Attendance menu. Choose month and go, you will see list with status. Double-click on the particular date for which you want to regularize attendance. Enter in time and out time and reason. Now save. You can check the status of your request from here. You can see here on the attendance calendar that absent changed to present because manager approved regularization request.